Tamron 20-40mm f2.8 review, lightweight f2.8 speed that replaced my entire kit. Real test. You're packing for a shoot and the anxiety kicks in. Wide zoom or normal prime? Miss the shot or carry extra weight? A street shooter I know missed a decisive moment fumbling between lenses in a crowded market. That regret stayed with him. Sound painfully familiar? Drop a comment if you felt lens swap panic mid-shoot. The tension builds every time you switch lenses. Dust risk, lost seconds, that knot in your stomach when the perfect frame disappears. You tried carrying two bodies, but the shoulder ache after hours became unbearable. Adapters didn't solve it. Still, there's a calmer way to get wide drama and natural framing without adding complexity or weight. Then everything changed when I found the Tamron 20-40mm f2.8 Di3 VXD lens for Sony E-mount full-frame mirrorless cameras. Don't just pick any wide to normal zoom lens. Make sure it has constant f2.8 aperture with VXD silent autofocus so you never suffer laggy focus hunting and aperture shifts during critical moments again. Here's what surprised me. This lens covers 20mm ultra-wide landscapes and 40mm environmental portraits in one ultra-compact package, just 365 grams. You get fast f2.8 across the entire zoom for low-light cafes and dramatic bokeh, VXD linear motor autofocus that locks instantly and silently for video, close focusing down to 6.7 inches at 20mm for wild, creative perspectives, and a 67mm filter thread matching other Tamron lenses. A travel photographer working late in Tokyo nearly missed sunrise on Mount Fuji. She grabbed this single lens, shot wide temple interiors at 20mm f2.8, then zoomed to 40mm for street portraits without changing glass. Pure relief. Let me be honest, the range sounds narrow on paper, but covers 80% of real shooting. A few weeks in, the new normal is simpler. You walk out with one lens and shoot everything. An expert from a photography publication noted, "The 20-40mm makes you rethink what you need. It covers an astonishing percentage of real-world situations." A wedding photographer mentioned, "The 40mm end at f2.8 surprised me for environmental portraits, and close focus creates editorial ring shots." A content creator shared, "This replaced my 16-35mm and 50mm prime kit. 20mm is wide enough for vlogs, 40mm gives creamy portraits, and at 365 grams, my gimbal barely knows it's there." A verified purchaser wrote, "I've made 24x36 prints from this lens, tack sharp. Clients couldn't distinguish them from Sony GM shots." The biggest objection is the 20mm starting point. Some ultra-wide shooters need 16-17mm. Fair point, but if your work lives between landscapes and candid portraits, this range is ideal. Planning your first trip with it? The weight savings alone changes how you shoot. See why travel and street photographers quietly standardize on this focal range. One small limitation, no in-lens stabilization, so pair it with a Sony body that has IBIS for best results. If your goal is shooting calmer, faster, and lighter, capturing wide vistas and intimate portraits without the anxiety of choosing the wrong lens, the Tamron 20-40mm f2.8 Di3 VXD lens delivers that transformation. Thousands of creators and photographers already use it daily for travel, events, and content work. Results may vary by shooting style. You'll find my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Full transparency, I earn a small commission at no extra cost if you click through. Check it out and experience the freedom of one versatile, lightweight lens.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.